If we could run it back, and do you wonder?
Today is an exciting day because for dinner we're gonna make this, and now we're just prepping the ingredients to just dump in and stir fry together. The smell of this. Beautiful. Habibi, look at this. Beautiful. We're cheating with Popeye's fried chicken because we're not gonna cook fried chicken. We walked over to our nearest Popeye's to get these. Along with the ramen in this bowl, we also have on the side just plain rice. These are leftover from last week, so we can always, like, you know, tone down the spiciness with some rice. You can literally dump any ingredient in. To go with dinner, we have two types of kombucha. These are my favorite. The brand is Wild Tonic and it's super good. This blackberry and mint wine is my favorite, but this raspberry and goji rose is also pretty good. It's so good. Good thing we decided to, like, try that the other day.
I like this over Synergy.
Oh, 100%. Rebecca and I will be checking out a Goodwill that I haven't been to. This is the one in Chelsea. This is actually one of the best Goodwill in the Manhattan area, and I can already see why. It's actually very neat. So we've left Goodwill and we have some food. Yeah, but I have to hold it because we didn't get a paper bag and we didn't bring any bags. Yeah. But right now, what I'm most excited for is where we're headed to, which is a Japanese bakery called HARBS. We didn't know they have it in New York. It's like my favorite place ever. Oh my god, it's here! This is my favorite bakery in Tokyo. But in Tokyo, we didn't get to, like, sit in. And now it's here, so we can! I'm so excited! Do we order here or? Order at the table. Alright, thanks! Oh, each customer one item. Okay. Oh sure, no problem. One cake, one drink. This is like my top favorite from here. It's the strawberry cake. It's just as good as the one in Japan, right? I like how it's really light. I think Japanese cream, the fresh cream, it's amazing. Oh my god. And here we have the banana cream pie. I remember this was also really good, but it was all melted. It's so windy today. She's doing it open air. Oh, that looks so obscene. Okay, nice. Okay. Now I can walk. She's doing it in Chelsea, like that. Only in America. Hey guys, so today is the second day of fall, and on the first day of fall I didn't go out at all. I was just like lounging at home. So today is actually a lot colder. Right now the temperature is like 11 to 12 degrees Celsius. That's why I'm wearing like this. I'm actually super excited because we finally get to wear our coats, and Rebecca is wearing her military jacket. I'm just like you. Okay. I got myself the smoked shack, which is beef burger with like bacon and like smoky goodness, and Rebecca got a chicken shack. Here we have the frozen custard in vanilla and also strawberry lemonade. I feel like eating some fries. I was afraid that, you know, it's too much, but now looking at people eating fries, I feel like eating fries. now headed to the World Trade Center to look at the 9/11 memorial. We actually missed the 9/11 memorial ceremony that was happening on the 11th of September like 2 weeks ago. Just being here, you can actually still feel the sadness, although it's been like 21 years. According to the tour guide, this tree is the only tree left from the attack. Not only did it survive the 9/11 attack, it also survived a lot of other natural disasters like flood. A few blocks of walking later and we are here in SoHo because she wants to go and get her champion sweater customized. It's super cool because in this outlet you get to personalize your sweater and t-shirts or even your sweatpants. Here Rebecca's getting her beige sweater. I love this color and she's getting these printed on. Every single design has a different cost, whether it's a sticker or embroidery, and the one that she selected is going to cost her $10 for the sticker. But just like the Savings line in the US, it's not great. She's gonna have to pick it up in a couple of hours, and usually I thought it would take like at most 30 minutes to an hour, but no, it's a couple of hours. We were randomly just walking after Champion and we discovered NC Outlet. Everything in there is freaking cheap, and we bought like 3 sweaters because it's fall and it's like $12.99 each. We just couldn't resist. The only thing though is you can't actually try it on, so although they have a lot of like jeans for like $8.99, I didn't want to buy it because I need to try my jeans.
Heard it come my way for the second time. Tell you to take a rest until we fall right back. I know you say you will for a heart.
We're now heading into the Canal Street Market to get some snacks. In the Canal Street Market, not only do they sell individual vendors' products, but there's also food.
I shouldn't care. I shouldn't care.
Okay, this is what we're here for. It's basically cheong. Looks so good. Oh my gosh, they have freaking bingsu. I cannot decide. I need my sister. Here we have the shrimp rice roll, aka cheong, and this is the dragon fruit with yuzu aid. What's ade? Aid. The lemonade. So it's the dragon fruit and yuzu aid.
I get scared when I lay in bed in the corner when I saw your face. Then was it wrong? Was it enough? You were only gone a second, yeah. Every day.
We can put more chili, right? You can. You want me to put? You put one more?
We are back at home and we're super tired because we had to walk like 23 minutes from the train station. All of the subways are on hold and there's no plans on like resuming service. So the conductor actually suggested us to take the bus, but we didn't want to take the bus because we are cheapo like that. After our crazy shopping at Trader Joe's. Bloody hell. I'll show you guys what did we get later. But first, I want to try on the clothes that I bought from NC Outlet. We cannot try on there, so I couldn't show you there. But we basically bought 3 items. First up is this sweater. It's very, very soft. I don't know what kind of knit this is, but it's very, very soft and furry. I like that it's cropped. It's loose fitting enough for me to lounge in. I can go out in this and I can also stay at home in this. I think it's really nice, especially because it's fall now, so this is very fall appropriate. Next is this sweater. This one is white with like black dots. I really like this print. I'm petite, so I tend to like crop stuff because it makes me look taller or longer. The only thing I don't like about this is it's actually a little bit pokey. I'll just have to deal with it. It's really cheap. It's like $12.99, so This is the last one. This is actually more like a cardigan than a sweater. It's plain on the main area while the sleeves are like 3/4 and it has some patterns. So you can either wear this as a cardigan, so you just unbutton them and you wear like a spaghetti strap inside, or you just button it all the way and it looks very demure and chic at the same time. So right now I'm gonna show you what we got from Trader Joe's. So first we got some potato chips. This is the olive oil potato chips. We don't know if it's good or not, but because it was the only one left, we take that as an indicator that it's good, so that's why it's selling out so fast. And then we also got the thin and crunchy pretzel slims. I love pretzels, so I'm excited to try this one. Then Rebecca got for the doctor that she'll be meeting this cake. Honestly, this looks pretty good. It sounds really good. I love chantilly cream because I love corn. I saw this seasoning and this is a twist on their classic. This is the everything but the elote seasoning blend. So I think for dinner tonight, I'm gonna put it on corn and try it out. I got some cherry lime cider to try out as well. This is limited edition. I didn't want the alcohol, but they didn't have something similar without alcohol, so I got it anyway. And I'm really excited to try the mango cream bars. This is mango with like vanilla ice cream inside. Oh my gosh, I didn't know Rebecca got this. But this is a baking mix, what the heck? So she loved spice, so fall is the season for her. She loves pumpkin, she loves cinnamon, so that's what fall is about. And she got this cinnamon roll blondie bar. I don't really like cinnamon, so but I'll still eat it if she bakes it. Then I convinced her to get this. It's oat milk that is with maple, because this is also like an autumn or fall limited edition. I drink oat milk, but I usually drink it with like my matcha latte. I don't have my matcha powder here, so I'm just gonna drink it on its own and see if I like it or not. I love the apple cider that I had in Seattle, so I love apple cider. But this is spiced, guys. And this is huge. So I'm hoping that it tastes good. Then I can like drink it with like ice and stuff, because we need some yummy drinks to go with our meals. And last but not least, the thing that I'm most excited for is this, the haunted house. It's a cookie kit where we can build a house, like a gingerbread house. So we grew up watching American kids like build gingerbread houses and stuff, and we never really got the chance, so you know, it's never too late. So we're gonna do this. This was like $8.99. It's a pinch, but I was like, you know what, $8.99 for a childhood memory that we never got is worth it. And that's it for the haul. Oh my gosh, Rebecca customized her champion sweater and I love it.
This is so pretty. I can even wear like this. You can wear with leggings or shorts. So cute. Uncle Me, this is actually a present from Naomi.
Okay, my corn is ready. I just grill it with like butter. So now I'm just gonna put the everything but the elote seasoning blend. Mmm! Good? Can buy it. Yes, it's good. It has salt, chili pepper, cheese, chipotle, and cumin. Can buy back home.